Why, sir, said Lucy, I don't know, but I think I could be brave enough. That is not the point, he said. But battles are ugly when women fight, and now, here he suddenly looked less grave, here is something for the moment for you all. And he brought out, I suppose from the big bag at his back, but nobody quite saw him do it, a large tray containing 5 cups and saucers, a bowl of lump sugar, a jug of cream, and a great big teapot, all sizzling and piping hot. Then he cried out, "Merry Christmas! Long live the true king!" and cracked his whip, and he and the reindeer and the sledge and all were out of sight before anyone realized that they had started. Peter had just drawn his sword out of its sheath and was showing it to Mr. Beaver, when Mrs. Beaver said, now then, don't stand talking there till the tea gets cold. Just like men, come and help to carry the tray down, and we'll have breakfast. What mercy I thought of bringing the bread knife!" So down the steep bank they went and back to the cave, and Mr. Beaver cut some of the bread and ham into sandwiches, and Mrs. Beaver poured out the tea, and everyone enjoyed themselves. But before long they had finished enjoying themselves, Mr. Beaver had said, "Time to be moving on now.